special weather statement. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of southeastern Rutherford, southern Cleveland, and north central Cherokee counties through in upstate South Carolina, northern Union County in upstate South Carolina, until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles southeast of Spartanburg, or 4 miles south of Croft State Park, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Union, Pacolet, Monarch Mill, Buffalo, Jonesville, Croft State Park, Pauline, Adamsburg, Santic, and Lockhart. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina, Spartanburg, and Union. Here is a special weather statement. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of southeastern Rutherford, southern Cleveland, and north central Cherokee counties